Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a gift card on Sears. If you don't have a Sears account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign In for Member Perks. Click on Sign In for Member Perks. Now, sign in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on Gift Ideas. On the left side menu of this page, you will see an option for gift cards. Click on Gift Cards. Here, customize the gift card you wish to buy. First, enter the recipient's email on the first and second field to confirm. After that, select the schedule, either send to arrive within an hour or schedule to arrive on selected date. You could also change the date by entering it on the date field. Next, choose the amount you would like to give. After choosing, select a design you wish to buy. You could also add a custom message. If you wish to add a message, enter it on the message box. Then click on Add to Cart. Now, at the upper right part of this page, you will see an orange button that says Proceed to Checkout. Click on Proceed to Checkout. Lastly, select a payment method, and review the billing address. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Place Order Now. That's how you buy a gift card on Sears. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.